Have you ever wanted to feel like you're driving through the neon streets of the future? The RC Cyberpunk car brings that vibe to life. This thing doesn't just drive, it glides with glowing LED lights that make it look like something straight out of a sci-fi chase scene. It's sleek, fast, and turns heads wherever it goes. And when you see it drift around corners with that neon glow under its frame, you can't help but smile. It's not just an RC car, it's a whole mood, a tiny piece of the cyberpunk universe that fits in your hands. Now, if you think that was cool, wait till you see this one. Imagine a stunt car that doesn't just flip and roll, it morphs on the go. Yeah, meet the RC Morphing stunt car. This little beast is like a transformer in motion. 1 second it's a speedy racer, the next it's a wild stunt machine spinning 360 degrees like it's defying physics. It can twist, stretch, and call over almost any terrain. Gravel, grass, pavement, you name it. The coolest part, its morphing mode lets you change its shape mid-drive, making every stunt unpredictable and insanely fun. It's the kind of toy that makes both kids and adults go, okay, I need that. But maybe you're more of a water battle person. Well, prepare yourself, because the future of water fights is here, and it's called the Spyra 3 MK1. This isn't your average water gun. The Spyra 3 literally redefines water fights with digital precision. Instead of messy streams, it shoots powerful water bullets that hit your target cleanly and reload automatically. You don't even have to pump, it's fully electric. You get power, accuracy, and a futuristic HUD display that tells you exactly how much water you have left. It's like the laser blaster version of a water gun, and trust me, once you use it, you'll never want to go back to those old plastic soakers again. Speaking of high-tech fun, have you ever wanted to control something that actually flies? The Force 1 Skeet mini drone is small but mighty. This compact drone lets you practice your aim and reflexes with the built-in shooting target mode. You can make it hover, spin, and move unpredictably in the air while you or your friends try to shoot it down using an infrared blaster. It's like a futuristic carnival game, but right in your living room. Plus, it's durable enough to handle all those crash landings. You'll lose track of time trying to master your aim. It's that addictive.
Now, let's switch gears and bring in something truly elite. Picture this. The roar of Formula One, the sleek curves of a Mercedes-Benz F1 car, and you in control. The RC Mercedes-Benz F1 lets you live that dream on a miniature scale. It's an officially licensed replica that captures every aerodynamic detail of the real thing. From the realistic front wing to the glossy finish, it screams premium. And when you see it zoom down your hallway or driveway with that precise steering and smooth acceleration, you can almost hear the engines from the Grand Prix. This one's not just a toy, it's a collector's dream come alive. Now here's something straight from the Marvel Universe. Imagine slipping on the Thanos Infinity Gauntlet and actually feeling the power of all 6 Infinity Stones in your hand. This isn't just a prop, it's an experience. The stones light up, the fingers move, and the metallic finish makes it look incredibly realistic. Whether you're displaying it on a shelf or putting it on for fun, it instantly makes you feel unstoppable. Snap your fingers and watch your friends disappear. Well, maybe not literally, but you'll definitely steal the spotlight. Alright, back to some seriously cool tech toys. Let's talk about the electric water gun. It's like the classic water gun we all grew up with, but upgraded for the modern age. Forget pumping and refilling every few seconds. This one charges up, presses a button, and boom, a continuous, powerful stream of water that hits targets from impressive distances. The digital display shows your water levels, and the automatic reload feature keeps the action going non-stop. It's perfect for pool parties or backyard battles where you want to dominate the field. Plus, the futuristic design makes you feel like you're wielding some sci-fi blaster straight out of a video game. Speaking of water warfare, the Nerf Super Soaker Robo Blaster takes things to a whole new level. Imagine a robotic turret that automatically sprays water at anyone who dares to step into its range. Yeah, it's basically a guard bot for your backyard. You can control it remotely, set it to auto mode, or have it defend your pool territory while you sit back and watch. It rotates, tracks movement, and unleashes streams of water that'll catch anyone off guard. It's the kind of gadget that instantly turns a regular summer day into a full-blown water battle arena. Seriously, your friends won't know what hit them.
And while we're outdoors, how about mixing water fights with rockets? The sprinkler toy rocket is one of those simple yet genius inventions that make you feel like a kid again. You just connect it to your garden hose, and the water pressure sends the rocket flying high into the sky while spraying water in all directions. It's a splash of fun for kids and adults alike, combining science, play, and summer vibes all in one go. Watching it launch never gets old, especially when it surprises everyone with how high it can actually go. It's the kind of gadget that makes family weekends unforgettable. That's all for today's episode of Miraz Tech. Which gadget blew your mind today? Let me know down in the comments. I love hearing what caught your eye. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe for more awesome tech minds every single week. Thanks for watching, America Techies, and until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring the future with Miraz Tech.